Insta360 X4 accessories. Let's unbox them and see what they're about. All right, so the first one that I'm going to open up and unbox is going to be the silicone mount for the Insta360 X4. What's it all about? Let's have a look. As you can see, it is a silicone mount that will sit on your desk, and the X4 will sit in nicely. So that works an absolute treat. So if you just want to mount your Insta360 X4 on your desk, well then this rubber mount is going to be doing that. Like, it sits in there really nice. It's not moving away. It's got a nice rubber sole on it. And if I put it a bit on the slick side of my desk, it's gripping in really well. Yeah, so I really like that. I actually like having little stands like this for your camera, especially your action cameras and that. I love these little stands. So yeah, so I like that one a lot. That is pretty cool. All right, so let's get on to the next one. Now this one is a silicone case for the Insta360 X4. So let's open it up. So we've just got what it says, a silicone case for the Insta360 X4. This will have to be put on without the thermal backing plate. So let's probably just go in like this. Yep, there, that's easy enough. And then mount it across. And there you go. So you've got your open holes for your mics and everything like that. So that's just a little bit of extra protection for your X4 as well. So that feels really nice. It feels comfortable. Yeah, so I actually quite enjoy that. So the silicone case for the Insta360 X4, yeah, definitely that's something that I will use. So let's get on to the next one. And it's so simple to take it out as well. I really love that. All right, so we've got two different styles of storage bags for your Insta360 X4. One is a nylon case and one is a PU case. So what's the difference between nylon and PU? Let's open them up. So we'll open up this one first, which is the nylon. So the nylon case is simply just has that mesh case on it. So that looks really good and really sturdy. The next one will be the PU one. And so there you go. So that's just a little bit more shiny and a little bit more smooth, but both of them are exactly the same. Very strong. Let's open them both up. So you get a lanyard and a little carabiner clip. So probably get that in both. Yep, you do. So which is good. So then you can add the lanyard and the carabiner clip. Now they both have this wonderful felt inside of them, which is what you're going to need for your Insta360 X4 to be able to look after. So simply just put your X4 in there and zip it up, and then you're ready to go to travel. So that is great. So it's big enough where you can even probably have your lens guard on as well. Yep, certainly is. So there you go. It is big enough to hold the lens guard as well on your X4. So both of them, lens guards on, and then zip up. So that is a great travel accessory for your Insta360 X4 if you just want something light and compact to be able to take somewhere. And then you know that your X4 is going to be protected all the time. Yeah, I love them. I love both of them. I probably love the neon one a little bit more just because I like that texture. But the PU one looks amazing as well. And the carabiners and the lanyards are great, an accessory to have on them as well. All right, so let's get on to the last one. And the last one is what I'm really excited about, is the aluminium frame for the Insta360 X4. Now, I love aluminium frames for my action cameras just because I know that I can mount them and they're going to be a little bit more sturdier on those mounts. So let's see what we get in here. All right, so we have the aluminium mount with a lens guard a rubber lens guard as well. That looks great, and it's going to protect those lenses. We also have a screen protector for the X4 as well, so we'll put that on as well. And there you go, there's the frame. We have a 1/4 inch mount down the bottom as well, and we also have the action camera mounts as well. Now they, by the feel of it, have a little bit of a magnets on them, yep, to keep them aligned. You've got a cold shoe mount on the side here and another cold shoe mount on the top. Now to put your X4 in, you simply just unscrew this top here, open it up. As you can see, we've got rubber mounting here and rubber mounting on the bottom to protect your X4. So you simply line up your X4 the way that you want it. So you want your battery end on the big end. So we're going to slide the X4 straight down inside there. It's sitting in there really nicely. And then we're going to screw that lid down on the X4. Now, that is going to be hidden inside the stitch line as well. And as you can see, you've still got access to your power button and Q button, and you've got access to your battery compartment and your USB-C compartment as well. So let's try the silicone lens protector. So that just goes over the top, and there you go. So that's gonna keep your X4 safe, and plus it's in that durable aluminium cage, so that is a huge plus. I love that you can just have those action feet, because there's some mounts that I just want to use those action feet instead of the 1/4 inch thread, and I rather have this one and then one of those screw-in 1/4 inch thread to action mount adapters. So absolutely love this. I'm going to be using it a lot for everything that I use my X4 on. A lot of it is with in action with motorbikes and that. So this will just be a little bit more of a sturdier mounting system for me with the motorbikes. Now let's have a look at what we get with the screen protector. So you get your dust absorbent stickers, you get 2 lots of wipes and a microfiber cloth and the screen protector. So let's put that on. Let's open it up and give it a clean. So step 1, they're quite easy. If you know how to put on a screen protector, it's exactly the same in any case. So give it a wipe over with that. Then we're going to get the dry one. So that was your wet wipe. Then you've got a dry wipe to dry off that wet wipe to make sure that there's no fingerprints and anything on it. Then you're going to get your microfiber cloth and give that a wipe as well to get rid of all the other particles. Now you want to get your dust remover sticker, and then you're just going to be tapping like so to get rid of all the other dust particles on it, and it's that simple. Then you're going to get your screen protector. Now as you can see, you have a little cut in section just here. That is for the Insta360 logo on your camera. So it's quite simple. Look, they say you've got guide stickers, but if you've done enough of these type of things, you know how to do it. Pull it off, line it up to where it's all going to be nice and straight, and then just let it fall into place. Get your microfiber cloth, give it another push over so you're getting all the air out, and there you go. Then you can turn it on and you still have full control of your X4 even with the screen protector on. So that's going to look after your X4, and you'll know that your X4 is going to be protected for those unfortunate mistakes where it gets hit by something, which none of us want. So this is going to give that little extra protection. Absolutely love all of these products. Let's go through them again. We've got the silicone mount for the Insta360 X4 so it can stand up. Then we've got the silicone case for the Insta360 X4, so it's going to give that little bit of extra protection. We've also got the two cases, storage cases. We've got the PU one and the nylon one, which are absolutely great. Don't forget they have that wonderful felt in there as well. And then we also got the aluminium frame, which I tell you, I'm going to use a lot. Every time I take my X4 out, I will be using it. Guys, that's all my accessories for the Insta360 X4. I hope you've liked them. Can highly recommend all of these products.